In this video, I'm going to show you how we can go from a 2D floor plan inside Synapse.app to a realistic, real-scale 3D render with AI in only 9.8 seconds with the most amount of control that you can have over your designs with any AI tool that I've seen so far. And by the way, Synapse is not just another AI gimmicky tool. You can do all of the drafting, all the documentation that you need, by the way. So you can go here, you can find a bunch of assets you can just drag and drop inside. And I mean, you can do any type of drafting you can do in any sort of professional tool. So even like walls, you can add openings, anything like that. And by the way, all of this was drawn inside of Synapse. And in order to turn this into a realistic render, I'm going to go ahead and we can use the camera tool. And basically what we can do with the camera tool is we will click once on the screen to activate it and another time to give it the direction that we need. So this would be the direction of the camera. And then secondly, what we can do is we can go here and then we can also change the field of view. So we can make the shot wider or we can make it more narrow. And then we can also change the height of the camera. And if you click live preview once, what you will notice is that this is already 3D modeled on cloud in the sense that the wall is in real scale. The windows are exactly where they are supposed to be. And basically all we need to do now is keep the camera selected. I can type in generate a white model of this space, keep the scale and structure 100% as it is. I click send, and in 9.8 seconds, we should have this exact space that was drawn in 2D into a real scale 3D render. And this is the only place where you can do this right now with AI. This tool is actually one of the fastest tools that's progressing with all the AI features that an architect needs. And as you can see right here, we do have the render exactly in the space. It did the door, it did the windows as well. Before you usually do anything else, and the reason why I started with this is because AI behaves a lot better in terms of adding stuff rather than removing elements after those have been generated. So for example, now we can select the image and then we can tell it, make the windows full height, floor to ceiling, 3 meters, right? So if I click send, we first want to make sure that all of the structural changes that we need here are going to be there. And then after that, we can do all the stylistic stuff. We can give it a certain mood, we can give it a certain style and anything like that. So now it made the windows larger and it's not exactly from floor to ceiling because AI is iterative. So it's not like a magic button that will do everything in one go. But what we can do here is, for example, we can just draw with a polyline a shape and then we can tell it like this. We can just add red. We can say generate a realistic kitchen in Norway mountains, natural materials, add the kitchen cabinets in the red area. And I click send. And let's see how well it actually renders from basically the white model, which we went from the 2D floor plan to the actual just the scale. We increase the window side, even though it's not like full height. But if we go here, it has actually added the kitchen exactly where you needed it to be. And I'm going to show you how we can even make further changes if we want to, but we can say add outside the window a view to the Norway mountainside, right? So I'm going to click send and now it's going to add a beautiful view outside and everything is going to look just in place in a second. So you can see that now it did that as well. It does look a bit fake though. So we can say add curtains near the windows. And then once this is done, I'm going to show you exactly how we can test out multiple material options with the branching features that Synapse has. And by the way, you can try Synapse for absolutely free in the link below. And if I go here, it has added a little bit of curtains. What I'll tell it though is I would say make the flooring light herringbone. Then we can tell it make the flooring dark chevron, and then we can also tell it make the flooring beige ceramic or whatever, something that we just want to test out. I'm going to show you in just a second. Now we have 3 different options that we can compare immediately. So right here we do have the light herringbone just like we typed it in. Right here we have the dark chevron exactly like we asked for it. And then over here we have the beige ceramic flooring, which is super fast and done just perfectly. Now what I can say is add a mountain villa type of interior style. Also the ceiling should be pitched to reflect a gable roof. Now let's click send. So I mean, this is the full iterative process in terms of how you can create visualization architecture right now, and the fastest way you can go from 2D floor plan into 3D render. And as you can see, Synapse is all on the web it is super easy to use, and you do not need any sort of heavy computer in order to, use this. So now it has done exactly what we needed to with the roof. It has added a bit of more mountainside villa characteristics with these walls over here. This part over here looks weird, and I mean, there's a bunch of stuff that we can fix with the interior here as well. So we can say, make the kitchen with hidden handles and give the cabinets a lighter wood. Let's click send. So now we have the lighter wood in the cabinets as well. I mean, this looks really ugly because there's 3 different shades of wood here. What we can do is, I mean, there's 4 different shades of wood here, but what we can do here, this is basically to show you the main functionalities. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to add another camera right here, and I'm going to go straight to the prompt. I'm going to type in, generate a realistic render of a bedroom in mountainside villa in Norway. The walls, flooring, and most of the accents to be in dark wood. However, balance it out with some lighter furniture, right? So now we can just click send. Let's see how it does in actually generating it with one go instead of going one by one with the iteration. Boom. So now it did this for us, which is a lot better. It just did that completely in one go. And if you go here, you can see that there is a door in the front, which here it has been turned into a window, which is the exact structural things that I mentioned earlier that have to be checked with a white model first. But I mean, the windows are there, and I mean, this is just great. In one click, you get this super duper fast, which I absolutely love. And you can still do all of those changes like we needed to. For example, if you go in Google, just type in IKEA bed or whatever, I'll just say PNG. We can go ahead and, for example, get this one. I can just save this as image. And if I have this selected, I can just attach this in a prompt bar. I can say, replace the bed with this one. So you can be as exact as you want when it comes to furniture with even attaching PNGs like this. And I mean, this is just great. I mean, if you told me 5 years ago when I started to do 3D visualization in architecture that we're gonna get to this point where you can go just from a 2D floor plan, 2 clicks, 9.8 seconds to a realistic render like this, I mean, I'd absolutely lose my mind. I still do to this day. And if you go here, in just one prompt, we just switched the bed as well exactly to what we had. Synapse is just absolutely amazing. We can also attach, for example, a certain type of material. So we can say light herringbone. I can just save this as an image. I can go here, I can attach it to the prompt, and I can type in replace the flooring with this material. We can click send, and in just a second we're gonna have that show up as well. By the way, until that is generated, I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna show you that if we add a frame and if we actually draw a rectangle which is 9.35 by 8.72, and if we switch to floor plan generation, we can try the beta version of the floor plan generation, which if you just type in 2-bedroom apartment and click send, in about 3 seconds you should have something similar to this generated, which is fully editable. It's not just, a picture like most AI tools out there do. It's not perfect by any means. You can see that there's like doors that are randomly placed, which you have to put inside the walls, but it's a lot faster than drawing something manually. I mean, you can kind of imagine how fast it will get when this improves, probably around May or June, where you can just draw multiple rectangles and get done with a full apartment block in just a few seconds, which is going to be absolutely amazing. And if you go back here, you can see that we have changed the flooring to exactly what we need it to be. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. And if you actually want to see a full course of me going through Synapse and every single AI feature that it has, you can go and watch the video right here.